in this session we will see one more problem on trigonometric Fourier series. So the question is like this: obtain the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of figure shown. Here some kind of waveform is given. We want to find out the trigonometric Fourier series of this waveform. First let us find out what is the time period of this waveform. You can see that the time period of this waveform, you can clearly see that there is a pulse, no pulse. So therefore what is the time period of this? The same pattern repeats. The time period of this waveform is 2 pi. First you have to identify the time period of the waveform. Since f of t equation is not given, we have to find out the equation of this straight line in the interval 0 to pi. So therefore as you know that this point is 0 comma 0. So this point is pi comma a. So from this you can easily find out the equation of straight line with the help of point 0 comma 0 and pi comma a. So therefore what are the points? 0 comma 0 and pi comma a. What is the slope? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1, a minus 0 by x2 minus x1, pi minus 0. So which is nothing but as a by pi. So with the help of this point and with this slope, find the equation of straight line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So that is f of t minus 0, that is equal to slope a by pi into t minus 0. So what you will get? You will get f of t is equal to a by pi into t. So in the interval, so what is the interval? 0 less than t less than pi, and it is 0 in the interval pi less than t less than 2 pi. First you have to find out what is the equation of f of t. What is a by pi into t in the interval 0 to pi, and its function is 0 in the interval pi to 2 pi. Now once you find this, let us write the trigonometric Fourier series expansion formula. The trigonometric Fourier series, the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of the trigonometric Fourier series of expansion of f of t is, so what is the trigonometric Fourier series expansion formula? F of t is equal to a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega 0 t plus bn sin n omega 0 t. So this is the trigonometric Fourier series expansion, so which we have derived this formula earlier. So what is the time period? So we are approximating f of t in this interval t0 to t0 plus 2 pi by omega 0. That is one cycle. Now, yes, so I said earlier, just to substitute, find out what is omega 0 for this problem and just to substitute in this series. So therefore here, what is omega 0? Omega 0 is equal to 2 pi f. So that is 2 pi by capital T. What is the time period of the given waveform? 2 pi by 2 pi. So therefore omega 0 will become 1. Just to substitute omega 0 is equal to 1 in the above expression and write the above expression again. So therefore f of t is equal to a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nt plus bn sin nt in the interval. In which interval we want to approximate f of t? In this interval over one cycle. So 0 to 2 pi. So what is our objective now? To find out a0, an and bn trigonometric Fourier series coefficients, and just substitute here, the problem will be over. So first let us find out what is a0 value. So a0 is nothing but, as you know, this is called as average value or DC value of the given waveform. So what is the formula? Again I am again writing the formula 1 by t integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t dt. So what is the time period of the given waveform? 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of t dt. But f of t is defined only in the interval 0 to pi. Remember that f of t is defined in this interval 0 to pi. So in this interval, what is f of t formula? A by pi. So a, write it outside, pi into pi square will become, so pi into pi will become pi square dt. Just to substitute a by pi, so a write outside, pi into pi will become pi square. So therefore a by 2 pi square into, what is the answer? T square by 2. If you substitute limits, it will become pi square by 2. So just to cancel out pi square and pi square, the answer will come as a by 4. So this is the average value or the DC value of f of t. Now similarly, let us find out what is an. An formula, as you know, that 2 by t into integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t into cos n omega 0 t dt. So this is the very important formula you have to remember. So now, what is the time period of the given waveform? 2 pi, 2 by 2 pi, it will become 1 by pi. So since f of t is defined in the interval 0 to pi, I am directly writing 0 to pi. So in this interval, what is f of t? A by pi into t. I am taking a pi square outside, and t into omega 0 is 1 cos nt dt. Just integrate this and substitute the limits. A by pi square. First function UV rule, apply UV rule, very important to apply UV rule. So first function t into integration of second function is t cos nt sin nt by n minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of cos nt is sin nt by n. If you again integrate, it will become minus into minus plus cos nt by n square. Substitute the limits 0 to pi. So you can clearly check that. So a by pi square into, if you substitute pi here, so pi sin n pi 0. If you substitute pi here, cos n pi, the upper limit will cos n pi by n square. If you substitute the lower limit in place of t 0, this term will come out as 0. If you substitute here, cos 0 is 1 by n square. So I am again writing this an here. So an is equal to, what is an formula? A by pi square into cos n pi by n square minus 1 by n square. Let us take two cases here. If n is even, so let us find out what is the value of an. You can see that n is 2, cos 2 pi 1 by n square cancel out. If you take n is equal to 4, 1 by n square, so cancel out. So therefore, what is an? An is equal to 0 for n is equal to 2, 4, 6, so on. All these coefficients, a2, a4, a6, all these coefficients will turn out 0 if n is odd. Substitute what is an, find out what is an. An is equal to, if you substitute 1 cos pi minus 1 minus this cos 3 pi minus 1, so therefore it will become minus 2a by n square pi square for the values of n is equal to 1, 3, 5, so on. So this is the answer for an. Now similarly calculate bn. What is bn formula? bn is equal to 2 by t, same kind of formula, integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t into sin n omega 0 t dt. So this is the formula. So what is the time period? 2 by 2 pi, it will become 1 by pi. So because f of t is defined only in the interval 0 to pi, in this interval a by pi, take it a outside, pi square outside, t into omega 0 is 1 for this problem, sin nt dt. Again apply UV rule, integral UV rule for this one. So let us calculate it as a by pi square into, so minus t by cos nt by n, because first function into integration of second function is minus cos nt by n, minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, sin nt is minus into minus plus cos nt by n. If you again integrate, it will become sin nt by n square. Substitute the limits 0 to pi. substitute the upper limit pi, so it will become a by pi square into, if you substitute in place of t, pi cos n pi by n. If you substitute sin n pi is 0, as you know that sin n pi is 0. If you substitute lower limit in place of t 0, this term will come out as 0, sin 0 0, only this term will remain. So therefore this is written as a cos n pi by, so 1 pi gets cancels out, n pi. So this is the answer for this. Now, so what is our expansion now? Let us write the expansion. So what is our expansion? F of t is equal to, what is the trigonometric Fourier series expansion? A0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nt plus bn sin nt. So in which interval you are approximating? 0 to 2 pi. So that is one cycle. So just let's just substitute a0, a and bn in this equation. So what is a0? We got a by 4, that is average value or DC value of this given f of t, plus let us separate the summations. So because an is available only at odd values, you have to write odd to infinity. You can also write 1, 3, 5, 7, so on like that. So what is an value in this? So minus 2a by n square pi square into cos nt. Let us separate the summations. So take the summation to this term. Summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. What is bn value? We have calculated minus a cos n pi by n pi into sin nt. So this is the answer for this problem. F of t. You can further expand this. So what is this? So this is the interval 0 to 2 pi. We are approximating f of t. If you add all cosines and sine functions, so if you make addition of this, one cycle of f of t will exactly come. So let us further expand this. So f of t is equal to a by 4. Let us take it out, minus 2a by pi square outside. 2a by pi square outside. If you substitute n is equal to 1 here, cos t, it will come out as cos t. If you substitute next n is equal to 3, so 1 by 3 square into cos 3t. If you substitute 5 here, 1 by 5 square into cos 5t plus so on. So this is the summation. If you expand the summation I am writing. So minus, you can take it outside, plus a by pi you take it outside. In the second term, a by pi you take it outside. If you substitute n is equal to 1 here, so n is equal to 1 here, cos pi minus 1, minus into minus plus, so it will become sin t. First term will become sin t. If you substitute n is equal to 2, cos 2 pi 1, so it will become minus 1 by 2 into sin 2t. Plus if you substitute 3, cos 3 pi minus 1, minus into 1, minus will become plus 1 by 3 into sin 3t minus so on. You can also write the expansion like this in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So just expand the summation. You can also, sometimes the answer will be given like this also. Okay. Now this is the answer for this very important question. Trigonometric Fourier series expansion of the given waveform. Thank you.